Guys, hey. I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed. This is Akaya coming at you. Just wanted to come at you with a quick one. Are you trying to break down your boxes because the mail people don't want to take them? Here is some more boxes that I have. I actually got some patio furniture just delivered. So you know how it's so hard to get rid of these actual boxes. I'm going to show you how to be able to do it. All you got to do is just tear it up. Just pull it and just tear it up. Also, you can use a knife. One of these knives right here, because I'm about to get all of this in a big trash bag. Watch me do it. Just take it. This is actually good exercise. Pull it. How easy that works. See? That's a little power, and that gives you extra exercise anyway. Hold it with your foot if you have to. If not, just tear it. That is how you break boxes. Or like I said, we use this actual thing right here. Let me just use this. You just go like this. See? Always break your boxes up because you know these trash people don't like to take these big old boxes. Let me get finished and I'll come back. Especially like if you're having a bad day, the best thing to do is to break up a box. Yeah. Ugh. Take all your frustrations out in a box. Yeah. See? And it might be a recycling place in your area, so find out if you get like a lot of cardboard so you can do your recycling. And now I'm gonna get all this inside here. Y'all, when I said this was a huge box, our trash people be tripping. So this is something that I like to do. And I'm telling you guys, it's good for the soul. It feels good. Having a bad day, try ripping up a box. But don't forget to put the box inside of the trash can. It's not trying to keep all these screws or take it to the recycling place. That's how I get a big box inside of this bag. And I get some therapy. I'm telling you,